Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on DAG. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about DAG. I'm going to start with this. Rosetta Inside. Why is Rosetta bullish for DAG? Rosetta to standardize how to interact with blockchains. Rosetta will make it easier for developers to ensure capability with exchanges that use Rosetta and speed up the time it takes exchanges to integrate with new blockchains. For the broader community of crypto developers, Rosetta will make it easier to build cross-blockchain applications such as block explorers, wallets, and dApps. And open source software. Rosetta is easy for anyone to contribute to, and some blockchain teams have already started providing feedback and support. This will help Constellation with the Coinbase DAG listing, as it will make it easier for Coinbase to integrate with the DAG blockchain and protect customer funds by ensuring specific security conditions are met. So now it looks like a lot of other blockchains will use Rosetta as well. But this could lead to a Coinbase listing for DAG, which is very big. Iron Spider, a universal blockchain toolkit for the US government. So why did the government choose to use Constellation? Constellation Network, along with Konami, a secure decentralized data storage provider with a few additional partners, have created the Universal Blockchain Toolkit, project name Iron Spider, secure peer-to-peer immutable data resilience. And we are literally in on the ground floor of the monumental effort of creating a Web3 enabled Department of Justice. This is huge as well. And why would the Department of Justice choose Constellation if it wasn't such a strong project? That's why I always seen the FUD. Oh, it's just a partner of DAG. Doesn't mean anything's going to happen. Well, now we're starting to see it. Why Constellation? Following are the key points that Diggles addresses in his presentation. Third gen blockchain, Constellation Network offers capabilities well beyond Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Linux. We're a third generation blockchain that has solved the fundamental problems of existing market leaders. Infinitely scalable and energy efficient. Energy efficient is all the talk right now because of climate change and to talk about carbon credits as well. With our directed acrylic graph approach, there's no need to exchange performance for security and energy use. It's hard to maintain security at scale, and that's where Constellation has an edge. Energy efficiency grows with the network. We're finding that energy use is a hot button for the current administration. So energy efficiency is paramount for the Department of Defense. As the hypergraph scales, it becomes more efficient. In fact, we've proven that our network is more efficient than the current network that the Department of Defense is using today. Collaboration focused. Our secret sauce is our ability to interact and interoperate with other blockchain solutions, and we're legacy compatible. We can partner and collaborate with any DLT initiatives in the federal space. And that legacy compatible is very important. Even when enterprise comes into crypto, they want things to be easy. They don't want to scrap what they have now and start over. That's why legacy compatible is so important. Our microservice framework can securely sort data at scale and make fast decisions across multiple domains, including legacy systems. We're not forcing the government to rip up existing infrastructure. We're here to augment it. And that's probably another big reason why they chose Constellation. Quantum attack ready. This is huge. Constellation's decentralized network and Konami's decentralized storage system are capable of orchestrating and securing top secret level data even under quantum computing level attacks. That's also going to be very big inside of that new financial system. Then you take a look at this and you see on the surface, they're nothing more than blockchain networks. But then you dig deeper to the industry leaders. Then you dig deeper as you uncover the standards that align directly with these projects. Eventually, you see the bigger picture and realize how much is beyond the tip of the iceberg. And look at the names that are on there. And it's like one massive network forming. I talk about that all the time because I've been watching it get built out all through last year. I talked about it in many videos. And it's no different for DAG. DAG will be tied in to that massive network that's forming. It's going to be part of the new financial systems. Companies currently using OpenAI's ChatGPT say the chatbot has already replaced workers. Fourth industrial revolution is already here. Load up. That's why it's so important to invest now. You know, the fourth industrial revolution started in 2011. It's starting to really amp up today. You're seeing more talk about AI. You have to enrich yourself while you still can, because we don't know what kind of jobs are going to be replaced by AI in the future. This way, if you already have money, you could continue growing your investment over time and staying rich. That's why the fourth industrial revolution is so important. It's our once in a lifetime opportunity to get massive wealth. Then there's this, you see artificial intelligence and you see DAG tied into it. And I think as time goes on, you're going to see more integration of DAG into other aspects as well because of the connections to data. And data is going to be one of those industries that grow in value year over year. And once that new financial system rolls out and they implement DAG in to handle all the data inside of that, I don't believe you're going to be able to buy DAG at a cheap price anymore. Quant Network partnered with Constellation. Quant Network and Constellation integration will enable companies to build cross platform and interoperable big data, Internet of Things, AI production, and sandbox test environments. And I believe anything that Quant ties to, they're going to use DAG to handle the data inside of every single project at some point. Our wallet is more Web3 ready than ever before. This is Stargazer Wallet, now featuring biometric login on mobile devices. And we see here, and I want to point out every feature that it has now at this point. So it's designed for the future of Web3 with interoperability in mind. Constellation Stargazer cryptocurrency wallet now features biometric login on mobile devices, is the official DAG LTX and ecosystem wallet for iOS, Android, or Chrome. Stargazer wallet is cross-chain compatible with the Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, and Avalanche networks. It supports zero transaction fees for peer-to-peer transfer of DAG and all upcoming LO tokens, running on Constellation's hypergraph. And the new advances in the wallet is this: cross-chain compatibility, secure and non-custodial, buy with debit or credit cards, cross-chain swaps, multiple addresses, QR codes, import private keys, NFT support, BitFi support, and they'll have more and more upgrades as time goes. But these wallets are becoming more and more popular. We see it happening with other cryptos as well. Blockchain project analysts, 7 out of 10, Constellation DAG. They are driving the evolution of smart contracts by allowing data sources to be integrated into DLT. And the market cap right now is $65 million. And they're expecting a midterm rise to 24 cents. I believe it's going to go much higher. I think once Ripple wins the lawsuit against the SEC, that's going to send shockwaves through the whole crypto space. But these utility-driven cryptocurrencies, I believe, are going to hit some higher prices. I also believe once they roll out that new financial system, you're never going to touch these cryptocurrencies at a low price ever again. What is Hypergraph Network? A hypergraph is a graph that allows you to model group relations instead of only binary relations. The Hypergraph Network is a decentralized network using distributed ledger technology to support transfers of DAG token. And you see, secure, infinitely scalable, feeless, blazing fast, truly interoperable, and decentralized. You know, a lot of talk is going to be around certain cryptocurrencies in the future. There's only going to be a handful left after regulations come. I believe DAG is here for the long term. That partnership with the Department of Defense speaks a million words because that tells you if they chose it, it's a solid project. Remember when everyone was comparing Ethereum to DAG, saying the latter was going to blow it out of the water? They even made infographics about it. Now, Ethereum, I always try to put it in the simplest terms. When you look at DAG, it's like looking at a 4K TV. Ethereum's like looking at a 720p TV. And anyone new to crypto would always choose the latest and greatest. And the only reason that people still use Ethereum is because they got used to Ethereum. They got used to the fees and the congestion on the network. Then all of a sudden they start using a newer network and they realize, why was I ever using Ethereum when DAG existed? And DAG is always going to outperform Ethereum by far. It's here for the long term. But like I always tell you in all my videos, stay positive and and stay patient and wait it out. Everything's starting to come together little by little. That massive network I always point out, it's just getting built out. And we're so early in the crypto. We beat the institutional money here. We beat enterprise to crypto. Just wait. In the future, these cryptocurrencies are easy 100x from where they sit right now and beyond. It just is a matter of how long you want to continue holding your crypto. I always tell people maybe we'll never have to sell any of our crypto. We'll be able to borrow against it. We'll be able to earn from it in the future. We don't know what options are going to come available over time. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.